thinking about chia seeds and how absolutely fabulous they are, and so I decided to make some chia seed pudding, and I was going to take you along on that journey. So chia seeds are so fabulous, and in my books they are a superfood, and I am sensitive to a lot of different foods, and chia seeds, my body loves chia seeds. So it's a very mild food. It's extremely high in antioxidants. Chia seeds are very high in fiber. They're high in omega-3 fatty acids, which is extremely important for brain health. And they are a great source of plant-based protein. So I love chia seeds. I use chia seeds in a lot of different ways, and I've made so many different things with chia seeds, but today I'm making chia seed pudding. For this recipe, I'm going to use original kefir. This is actually unsweetened, but if you like, you can use a sweetened, flavored kefir. And if you do, then you won't need to add as much other sweetener. And then I'm going to use some cinnamon flavored stevia. I've used maple syrup, and there's a newer sweetener that's using L-ulose, and it actually is pretty good. Or, any other type of sweetener that you want to use. And then a little bit of vanilla. And there again, just depending on what flavor of kefir you use, whether you choose to use any other flavoring, and then some chia seeds. And for this recipe, I'm going to be using birthday cake flavored whey protein. So I'm going to add 2 cups of kefir. And you can use any type of milk or nut milk or juice, any type of liquid that you want. You can use plain water if you want. You might need to adjust how many chia seeds you use if you use just plain water. And then I'm going to add 1/3 a cup of chia seeds. And 1/3 a cup is 6 tablespoons. So if you don't have 1/3 a cup, you can add 6 tablespoons. And a little splash of vanilla. A couple dropperfuls of stevia, and my birthday cake whey protein. Because this is birthday cake flavored protein, it actually has a few little sprinkles in it, so you might see some different colored things in here. And then just stir it up well. You can put this into individual serving dishes or just into a dish that you want to put into the refrigerator. Depending on what kind of protein powder you use, you might need to adjust the amount of liquid that you have in here. I'm using a whey protein, and that dissolves pretty well in small amounts of liquid, so I don't really need to add any more liquid. I have used plant-based protein powders and find that I do need to add more fluid. And usually I add more water. Plant-based protein tends to be really thick, so I usually just add water to help balance that out. I'm going to pour my chia pudding into some pint jars. to store in the fridge. So it's been several hours since I've made the chia seed pudding, and it is so thick and creamy, and I am going to have some for a snack. So let me know if you've ever used chia seeds and how you've used them and what you like about them. Thank you so much for watching. You are so fabulous and so loved. Have a glorious day.